Hey YouTubers, I've got a real quick video here for you. I just traded in a couple of cameras I had for some new cameras, and one of the cameras I traded in had a little scratch on the LCD screen on the back of the camera. I think the camera had rubbed against one of the little metal rivets on my blue jeans and took a little ding in value because of that little scratch, which had no effect on how the camera performed. And that's the first SLR or DSLR I've ever had that got a damaged screen on it. So I've decided to be proactive and put screen protectors on my new cameras. Now, I've already installed the screen protector on the LCD on the back, and I was so impressed with how that went, I thought, you know what? Let me do a quick video on putting the screen protector on the top and share this product with you guys. Now, I went on Amazon, and this was the Amazon recommended brand of screen protector. These are 2 in this box, actually 4 in the box. 2 for the top, 2 for the back. They fit a number of cameras, including the Nikon Z8 and Z9. Now, I've already installed these on my other cameras, and like I say, I've got one more to install, and I thought, let me make a quick video. So for about 10 bucks, you get 2 top ones and 2 rear protectors. You also get a wet and a dry wipe for cleaning the screens, a little sticker that's used to absorb any dust that may remain after cleaning, and the glass screen protector itself, which this is a microscopically thin piece of glass here. So let me walk you through installing one of these. All right, first we're going to start with a wet wipe. And I will say some of these wipes have been really wet and juicy, and some of them have been barely damp, but they seem to clean well either way. Clean the entire screen all the way to the edges, and don't be afraid to clean the camera body a little bit around the edges. Now, I've washed my hands before I got started to remove any excess oils, and I recommend you do the same. I'm working in a well-lit, dust-free environment. Okay, I'm now going to take the dry wipe, and I'm going to wipe this again to make sure that there's no remaining residue from the wet wipe. Okay, now then, I'm going to take this little dust absorber, which is really nothing more than a little piece of plastic with a mild adhesive on it. You stick that down and peel it up. And the screen on top must be made out of a different material, because this dust absorber did not stick to the LCD screen on the back of the camera as aggressively as it sticks to this one. Okay, so it's clean and dust free. You'll see a little sticker here. This is the back. So we're going to turn this over, and there's a clear film on here that we're going to peel off of the glass protector. And be very, very careful not to get any fingerprints on the underside of the glass protector, because if you do, they're not coming off. You get it positioned about where you want it. Release it. Now you have a moment here to reposition it if you want to, but I'm happy with that. Push down, and I don't know if you could see that, but just tap it in the middle and it lays down flat and adheres itself. That's it, you're done. And so, nice little extra level of protection, totally clear, you can see through it. Your touch screen still works through the back. This works wonderful for protection, and I've installed it on all my cameras, and if I have any problems, I'll come back and report them later, but right now I'm pretty excited about this. It's very inexpensive and easy to install protection. So here's that brand again, and it's available on Amazon for about 10 bucks for enough to do the top and back screen on 2 cameras. So I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe if you did. Thanks.